Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about plug-and-play audio upgrades for the Polaris Ride Command system. There's no question that the Ride Command system is the hottest setup for the new Polaris vehicles. But there's been some challenges getting the audio from the built-in head unit to actually sound good and work well. We've come out with a complete plug-and-play kit that is specifically designed for Ride Command and allows you the ability to upgrade or add speakers to your system. Front kick panels with an amplifier, add rear cage pods, and even a subwoofer. Everybody wants to use the Ride Command system right in front of them because it does things like AM, FM, Bluetooth, track control, volume control, all right from the touchscreen on your dash. The challenge has been getting the audio signal out of there and making it sound the way audio systems are supposed to sound. At SSV Works, we came up with a complete plug-and-play audio system that sounds amazing and takes full advantage of all the cool features of the Ride Command in a way that makes it sound the way you want to listen to your music. Due to the simple plug-and-play nature of our interface for Ride Command, we rate this at an easy 3-bar installation. If you're looking for a great way to add quality audio to your Ride Command system, the new SSV Works plug-and-play kit is what you're looking for. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information on Ride Command audio, please go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor, this is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.